Welcome to another 3 minutes of the Italian 3-4-3. Last time we were together, we were talking about the 3 backs and the 2 wing backs, the 8 and the 10. Let me switch these around since most of the documentation has the 2 side backs as 2 and 3. And I don't want to confuse you when you see the Italian videos. So today we're going to add the 2 holding mids. Again, the forwards are going to be out of the picture, and we're still talking about the zonal defending. Okay, so we're going to kick these guys out, and we're going to put the ball right here. So when the ball is here, we know that we have this shift that happens, and we play zonally, taking away lines of passage forward. Okay, and as much as possible, we want to try to create what are called defensive triangles. Now, what are defensive triangles? Okay, when we're pressing on the ball, these 3 guys right here, they create a defensive triangle. Okay, these 3 guys here, they have a defensive triangle. Let's see if I can incorporate all 3 of them. Yep, there they are. That's a defensive triangle. These 3 guys here, a defensive triangle, etc., etc. So you notice that we begin creating that second line, okay? And we want to not leave any gaps. We want to be able to intercept the ball, steal the ball, and prevent zonally the forward movement of that ball through a pass, a penetrating pass. We want as much as possible to avoid this kind of penetration. Okay, remember what we said last time? We'll allow back passes and to go square across. So if we go square across, remember that our side backs, or wing backs, sorry, become integrate into the back line and become full backs. We don't actually defend with 3 backs if we can avoid it. We want to defend with 4 or 5 backs. Okay, again, when the ball is here, we're creating defensive triangles as much as possible. Okay, these are your 2 holding mids right here. Okay, and you can see by the shape whether you're doing it right or not. Okay, and again, we're going to start trapping. We'll add the forwards and we'll teach trapping later. Again, we're trying to prevent that forward passing. So you can see how we're blocking. We want, if there's a ball down here, we want to be first to it here. We want to be closer to the end line than the opponent. So if the opponent is here, okay, if the opponent is here on our shoulder here, we want to be a little closer to the end line than they are. Okay, unless you're going to be playing off sides, which you'll learn later. Okay, finally, when the ball's up the middle, okay, the 2 holding mids are pressing it. And remember that as the ball moves forward, and you guys will learn this from me, okay, we're defending with 5, and as the ball moves forward, but for whatever reason, these 2 guys get beaten, okay, we get tighter, create that defensive triangle behind. They call it a pyramid, but it's a defensive triangle, right? And we make sure we avoid and prevent any penetrating passes. Prevent the penetrating passes. Okay? Those are your 3 minutes for today. Enjoy the videos.
This animation shows these movements.